Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make the inside reverse fold and explain the difference between the inside reverse fold and outside reverse fold and show an example where the two are used. Over here you can make an arbitrary fold and adjust the flap as you would like, as much as is comfortable for you. So here's the actual fold I wanted to show you. So basically in the inside reverse fold, as you can see, here is a mountain fold, and at this point the fourth crease will become a valley fold. We do that by making two of these mountain folds. We have already folded to one side like that, so one crease is a mountain fold, the other crease is a valley fold. So to make this one as well a valley fold, you pinch right here on top of that crease. Now, if you have made sharp creases, you should see that the paper already wants to fold across this line as a valley fold. Since you've done this, now you just push down on this, and there is the inside reverse fold. This fold is called the inside reverse fold because the mountain fold right here is converted into the valley fold, or reversed into the valley fold. Here are the two reverse folds, the inside reverse fold and the outside reverse fold. I have put the link of the tutorial of how to make the outside reverse fold in the description and here as well. Now, as you can see, there is some difference in both the folds. In the inside reverse fold, the flap is folded inwards into the model, while in the outside reverse fold, the flap is folded backwards or outside of the model. You can always consider this as the direction opposite to the two flaps. And in the inside reverse fold, the flap is folded towards the direction of the two flaps. As I said in the beginning of the video, I would show you the application of the inside reverse fold and the outside reverse fold. In fairly complicated models like dragons and human figures, the hands and legs would end in these kind of structures. Here is a very common use of the inside reverse fold. You take two flaps like that, and then unfold. Now you take this crease right here and align it with this edge. Now you fold this triangular flap back up on the crease you had made. Now fold this triangular flap along the angular bisector, or just fold this edge to this edge here. Unfold everything. Now here is the inside reverse fold. As you can see, there are multiple folds here. Start by pinching the tallest folds. Now make an inside reverse fold here. Slightly open the model from this side and pinch on the crease here. Same way on this side. Close the model. Now there's a small triangular flap coming from this side. Open the model slightly and pinch on this crease. There's the inside reverse fold. Again on this side, this time I'll go slightly faster. Open, fold the edge, fold this triangular flap there, and then fold this back up there. Unfold everything. Open this flap. Pinch on the valley fold. Flap coming down there. Open this part up a bit. Then fold the paper or pop the paper up in this direction. Same. Make these two folds mountain folds. This is what the inside reverse folds are generally and very commonly used in for making claws in fairly complicated models. Take one claw and fold it down. Fold it back up. Now you can see we can make a reverse fold here, an outside reverse fold. So make a mountain fold on this. Push this flap down. Make a mountain fold. Make this one as well a mountain fold. On this side, fold this flap down, open it back up, make a reverse fold on this flap, fold this flap down like that, and make this valley fold a mountain fold. Once more, take this flap and fold it down. fold it back up, open it from the middle slightly, and slightly push this flap down. As you can see, there is a valley fold over there. Make the valley fold a mountain fold by pinching on that crease. And that is how outside reverse folds are used.